This is for the daily. I have a question now. Yeah.
Wait. Let me assist you a little bit. You know, you have chosen a little bit tricky chart.
Okay.
Yes, that's why you see it is giving you a lot of trouble to identify those bases.
So I can look for another chart.
You can use Euro USD or US 30 or just gold.
Let
Use the
me
chart that you normally trade.
remove this
So it
one.
will be easier for you.
Okay.
How about that?
Let me use this one.
You like it?
Yeah, this one is okay. Because it
Okay.
doesn't have a lot of gaps.
Okay.
So I restart my screen so that I can see the overall or the overall structure. And I can see
You do
that
what?
from here that market trend has been going down.
I want you to first, before you continue, I want you to click here
Where?
where this hamburger icon, I don't know if you, oh, this thing is black. Here, below publish. Do you see this publish? Yeah, nice. Now I want you to click on these three dots up on top there.
Okay.
Then click here where it says zoom, where zoom those bracket down here, where down below where zoom. Yes, not there. At the end. Yes, that one. Click on that. Yes, nice. Now your chart, you can see it so clearly. Okay, now
Okay.
proceed. Yes.
So from here, I'm saying that I could see that this market was, it moved from here. Now it is going down. But I will take it from here. So that I'm able, instead of taking it from here down, because the current price, the high of the current price is higher than this one. So I opted to go further left.
So now if I ask you a small question before you continue,
Mm-hmm.
where is your current high and low?
My current high here.
Your current low?
My current low here.
Where?
My current high, it is here. My current low, it is here.
Okay. So the reason why I'm asking you that is that you have to be precise and you have to be specific. If you put that line there where you've placed it, that horizontal, that vertical line, then that chart will be too big. That's why I told you guys, if you're doing your markup, make sure your chart is very big. Your candles are bigger, visible. So that it will be easy for you to identify the areas on those highs and lows. So now,
Now
since your
from
chart is
here,
like that,
from
yes,
here,
how?
I was supposed to count 14 days.
Uh-huh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14. So 14. 14, the reason why I opted to go to this left, because if I were to take for 14 days, I could probably have taken it from here. But this one now, it is only showing me one side. And this higher high is more higher than maybe if I could have taken it from here or here. So that's why I opted to go to the farther left side.
Yes.
So for me to be able to see if these prices can continue to go high, then I might take it from here. I'm able to see where it can go from here.
Yeah, correct.
So now I will ignore the other side and I will concentrate with this side here.
Yes.
So let's see.
And explain to us what you are doing so that we understand.
So for this one,
Mhm.
here, this is the demand.
Mhm.
And this one I can take it also as a demand, supply and demand here. This also, although they are near to each other.
Yeah.
This also I can take it as a zone,
Mhm.
because this is study based study.
So I have a little question for you, bro.
Okay.
Just back there. You have said
Yeah.
that is a demand.
Yeah.
But I want you to be once you're putting an information on your chart,
Mm-hmm.
if it is a demand, let it be a demand. But you have said it is a demand, but we are seeing a support and resistance line. So now the question is,
Mm-hmm.
what do you do on the daily? Do you identify the zones, or you do identify the lines first,
For the
then
daily,
at a
me,
certain time frame? Mm-hmm.
I mark it with the lines.
Mm-hmm.
Then from there, I do for the 4 hours. That is why I start to do with the zones.
Yes, okay, do it for us, bro. Do it.
This one is daily resistance. So this one I'll take it as a daily resistance, daily demand,
Mhm.
daily support, I mean.
I think there you have two lines
Yeah,
below it.
below
Yes,
this
you
one,
have that line, and then we see the other red one there inside it.
this one.
Yes, inside here. Let me here. I think we have two lines here.
Okay.
Okay, continue, bro. No, you didn't have to delete that. Okay.
So this one I could have taken it as a high. Daily. No, I don't have it.
You can just write it to save on time.
And this one I'll take it as a daily row.
Okay.
This one also the support, daily support. So from here now, I will go to I'll go to 4 hours.
Hold, back to the daily. Okay. So according to you, do you see any other information that you think you have left out?
Yes, here.
Steven? Mr. Steven,
Yes.
I don't know if you are looking at the chat.
Yeah. I'm
I want
looking
you
now.
you are looking now. You have not been looking.
No, I was looking before, but I looked down for 1 second.
So what do you think Mr. Francis has left out?
There's a couple
Mm.
zones, support zones he's missing. Maybe
Where?
yeah, you can mark that one. Let's see, yeah, this one.
Which one?
Hold on 1
Okay.
second.
Bro, could you just remove this green line? I think it is this one.
Which one?
Yeah.
Could put
We
one
have
right
yeah.
here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it okay now?
Yes.
If you can also too, if you can, just adjust this one a little bit closer to this candlestick right here. Yeah.
But that one is too close.
You think so?
Yeah, so no need because we have the other.
This
Yeah,
one
that's
I think I took it because there is this one and there is this one. So I opted to take this one.
yeah.
Okay, yeah.
So we can move to 4 hours.
No. I have not. This one. I don't know if Alan, you remember we had this session with you, very long session. So today I'm with Mr. Francis. So I want us to start from where you started, from where you drew your I think can you be able to at least bring your chart a little bit together so that we can see the high and the low you chose? A little bit. No, not so small. Yeah, then I want you to, yes, like that. And then this side, I want you to pull it like this side, grab this side and pull it. I want to see the high and the low in the middle of the screen. Yes, like that. Yeah, good. That is okay. Now I want you to move this line a little bit aside so that I can see the high, so that we can talk about it. So, okay, there is okay. So I want you now to remove this, and this one you can put it on top here. You can hold it here, and this one grab it here, put them up there so that they can give us space. Here are those dots, or these 4 dots, 6 dots around here. Just, you see these 6 dots? Yes, there. Grab it, put it on top here, or there if you want, where it is convenient for you, where you like it to be. Okay, nice. So let's go in retro perspective of what we have learned. Number one, we said we are looking at the trend. So in our case, what is the current trend? That is one thing you have to ask yourself. Never forget that. Your markup is very much okay, and it's so nice, good, well drawn, but you have started so much far apart, so much far away, because when you see this is the best, this is the real trend, yes, but remember, this is in the daily. When we go to retrospect to the 14 days, our 14 days almost come to at least this area. So when it comes to this area, now this one now qualifies this area to be our low, around this area here. Do you see this trend started from here? Wait, let me just delete this trend. So this trend started, we have said our current trend is going up. Okay?
Yes.
This is our current trend. But our original trend, price was trending down.
Down.
Okay?
Yes.
Yes. So the first thing you have to, when you come to your chart, you have to look at the trend. Okay? So once you look at the trend, now the trend will give you the best idea of the way you will do your markup, and the best ideas of the trends you'll be able to be looking out for. So this trend started from this. This was our low.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
This was the low of this, the whole of this trend. And then price started going up. It went up. It created a high. We had another low. Then it created a high. We had another pullback. It created a high. So now we are expecting price to create another pullback around this area. Isn't that true?
Yes.
So if you count from here with the 14 days, we can say that the 14 days, you said around this place, around this candle, right?
Yes.
But we cannot start our markup at the middle. We want to have that nice structure. So what gives us a nice structure here? The only place that we get a nice structure is using this low or this low in this high. Also, this one is good, but is when you're going down to the 1 hour and the 4 hour, this one is a very, very big area. Remember, we are on the daily. This one is a very, very big area, but still you can have this support and resistance line up here. They will be guiding you. When you see the trend going up, they'll be guiding you to areas where you know price might react. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
These lines are good, but the area that I want you to focus on are the current highs and the lows, okay?
Yes.
When you are doing your markup of the daily, that one will guide you because it will give you the exact area where you can draw your lines and the exact area where you can focus on, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
And not ignoring these ones, not ignoring this other area, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So I want you to look at this chart now in retrospect of what we have learned. So now this one becomes your lower low. your daily low, or this one. This one is good. And this one, you said it became your high, which is also good. This one is also your high, which is the highest high. But this one now is your current high. This one is your
Yes.
highest high, which is very, very correct. Your markup is very, very correct. I'm just trying to correct you so that you don't have that bigger area until when you go to the lower time frame, you can't even tell where is your high, where is your low. I don't know if you are getting.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
getting.
Yeah, I want you to have that area when you go to the current price, because we trade from one zone to the next zone, one zone to the next zone. Because you see this zone, this one here and this one here, they are too far apart. They are too far. So what the area that we are focusing on is this zone and this zone, this one here. This is the current zone that we are inside right now. Okay.
Yes.
Mhm.
Once price breaks above this zone, now this is the zone that we'll be focusing on right now. I want you to be trading from one zone to the next. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
This support is good because is why it is lying on a base. It has been broken once. And then this support here is good because why? It is lying on a base and it has been broken once. This one was here and then it moved to here. This one and this one, they are good. Yes, close to each other because your chart is very, very small. Once you make your chart bigger, you will see these are good support and resistance lines. This one is also good. And of course, you missed this. This is also a good area around this area. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, this one is also a good area, and this one is also a good area. You did it so well. So the only thing I wanted you to see, it is the area closer to you. Okay. I want you to
Okay.
focus on the area closer to you. Let's say, for example, okay, finish. For example, I want you to look at this point here. When you started counting your 14 days back, you can pull this thing down here, or you can just click on a chart so that it may disappear. So I want you to look at this point here. I want you, once you count your 14 days back, once you see there is no, when you see, once you have counted your 14 days back and you look at that chart and you don't see any good structure, kindly go back and find a nice low and a nice high, then start doing there your markup. Okay. Are we
Okay.
all good to that point?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah,
Yeah.
everything here is clear. Everything here is clear. I want to, as we will be going down, you will now understand why I was talking about this high, and this high is a bit far. So let's go to the 1 hour so that you will
Hold
see
on,
that.
hold on.
4 hour. Sorry. Okay.
Wait,
Okay.
wait.
Yes. Mhm.
So in this case,
Yes.
we had that knowledge about
Mm.
because this high here
Mm.
broke above, maybe maybe if it were me, I could count, let's say 15 days, right? And
Mhm.
maybe I did find my 15 days maybe to be probably here.
Uh-huh.
And and you said last time we focus on a zone that has, like, that high has not been broken. Like in this case, I could not come and draw my line here because this high here was taken by this one. So instead I could come and put my line here because this high has not been touched here.
Yes.
So in this case, how about it?
Which case are you talking about? Okay.
Are
So
there uh-huh.
in this case, we had the original high around this area here. Okay. When you are looking at this trend started from here to this point. So this was the original high that created this move, and this
Yeah.
was the original low that created this move. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, which is so correct, which Francis has done it so well and perfect. So what I'm emphasizing was we want now to focus on at least the area where it is closer to price. Okay. But you don't forget the original high and the original low. Okay?
Yeah.
You keep in mind the original high and the original low. But when we are using our strategy to do our markup, now it will bring you to this point here, here, or here, to at least this point, because your 14 days below are around this area, here. Okay?
Yeah.
Yes.
Reason being, once you if price is here, before price comes to these areas here, it will take days or months to come up here. True?
True.
Yes.
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 Now we are focusing our markup on areas where we know it is closer to price. Okay? Yes,
Yeah.
that's why I'm saying when you count the 14 days back, you look at a nice structure, a high and a low, a current high and a current low. There is when you start drawing your markup, okay? You find your lines, your support and resistance lines, the supply and demand zone as you go on, the fair value gaps, liquidity as you go on. Now, once you start, this was your high here. If price now breaks above here and you had your markup here and here, you will automatically know that now we are coming up to these zones here, okay?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, but now if price now starts going down, you automatically know the first area to have the reaction is here, the second area to have a reaction is here, the third position to have a reaction is here as we go on and on and on, okay?
Yep.
Okay.
Yes, this area is correct and this area is correct. But now when you look at it, this is a very, very big area. This one took months to at least come to this point from up here to down here. It took some months or days. So probably this price to come from here where it is to at least to this area here, it will take some time, or down here, it will take some time. That's why we emphasize we are looking at the current trend or the current high and low. Okay, the current 14 days. We are going back 14 days. We just want the information from the last 2 weeks. Okay?
Yeah.
Because that is the current information. The current information now dictates what will happen next. Okay? If the current information now, for example, we are having the current information here that we had a low here and we had a new high here. What do you think that will happen next?
We'll form a new low.
Yes, we will form a new low in form of a pullback like this before we either create a new high or either price continue going down.
Down.
Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
That's why we are saying we have to focus on the newer information, because this one can't tell you. This one will only tell you what will happen whether if price now gets to this level. Okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are we all in agreement?
Yes.
Yes, and maybe just to add on that, you can see like whatever is happening right here. Oh, no. Let me change my annotation so that can look like something that you guys are able to see. Whatever is
We can't
happening,
see.
whatever is
What is
happening
that?
right here. Okay?
Mhm.
Yes.
What did we just do? If Francis, you have a line for the 14 days that we are looking at, which was maybe around here, true?
Yeah.
So if we are looking back, we have nothing here, true?
Yes.
So, but now you realize that we are getting out of our parameters. This is why we go back to look now. We have just broken a current, a high. So the only information we can rely in this space, it is here. Okay?
Yes.
But when we come down, oh no. When we come down, what is happening?
What are those things you're doing?
But when we come down now, when the market now decides to come back down, okay, the information that is at first hand is what? The current information. This is the current information. Now here, we will not be looking here because we have this. This one comes as priority, okay?
Okay.
But when it comes now to the open air, we are now in the air. This is when we look further left, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is just something that you guys should be aware of. We are looking further left because it doesn't mean the market can move here in like one candle can just move here. Doesn't mean that it has to take weeks to actually get there. But so long as you know what is above me, it is this. Okay?
Okay.
Yes.
And I'm sure on a lower time frame, you're going to get something different. Okay? Like
Okay.
a more immediate information, which I think it is around these areas. So we know there's a supply area above here, but right now, the only thing that is closer to us, it is these ones below here. So we know the uptrend is up, true?
Yes.
Yeah.
As much as the trend is up, okay? Don't be surprised if tomorrow you get something like this. Then you'll be like, oh, but I thought you follow the trend, the price is going up. You'll not be surprised if price decide to drop because you'll know we are now at a what? At a supply area. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
So that was good. That was a good. I'm even surprised I came back and you guys are still on the daily. This is nice. Hmm?
Yeah.
So we can go to 4 hours.
Wanted to make sure that they at least they understand what they are doing, so that next time.
Oh no. Look at this, Jason. I just launched a men's community. You should definitely be part of this. You see, this is how when people recognize you, they are just able to remember you very fast. This is Jason. If any one of you knows Jason, I'm going to invite one of these days to talk to you guys.
If I ask you something, Mr. David,
Yes.
we can't see you. We just see something.
Okay. What happened?
Francis,
My
keep going.
my avatar took over. Okay.
So now we are going to the 4 hours.
Yes, make your chart bigger. Make your chart bigger. Yes, that is the rule. Big. Again. Nice. That one is big enough. Yes. Can you now see the information?
Yes.
Okay, do the thing.
So, and I'll start with here.
Mhm.
So this one, I'll take it as a surprise one.
Do it.
So from there, here I'll put for our demand support. Do I have it? I don't have it.
But if you like, you can put at least your lines to be white. That will help you a lot because your background is black.
Okay.
If you like it, but if you like it in the color that you have drawn, it's okay.
Okay. So from there, here I have value fair value gap. Here I wanted to ask something, Mr. Lin.
Yes, please.
Here, can I put another fair value gap? Yet we don't have a wick here at this candle.
I want you to make that. I want you to make your chart bigger there so that we can see either if we have a wick or not. Stretch it. Don't be scared. Make it as big as you can. That point.
Here,
So
we don't have
we
a
don't have
wick.
a wick there. For me, I really don't like. I don't recommend using a candle without a wick
Okay.
because sometimes it becomes manipulative. Right now, you can ignore that and look for the one that has a wick,
So
like the one below. You see it? Yes.
yeah.
For you, will be identifying fair values like that. Once we go to our advanced strategies about the fair value gaps, we'll be now helping you to identify the fair values that we think, we believe. Make sure it is touching the wick. Make sure you
Okay.
stretch your chart like at this level. You here. Yes, here. It did not touch the wick.
So
Here.
and now here
Yes,
I'll
nice.
put a support for our support
Okay.
ring.
Oh, I have a suggestion also.
Okay.
Okay, yes.
You can on the upper fair value gap, you can check that daily support if it is still valid.
Here
Yes,
I
that
don't.
one.
I don't think it is valid here. We can
You
remove
can
it.
check. You can check it to the left side if it is.
Because you see it is very far. Or we can leave it there.
Now you have to check it. You have to check it. You have to check. You have to check. Don't ignore. In the market, you don't ignore. You check. It looks good.
So we can leave
You
it.
just have to move it a little bit to the base.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, that one is good. Yes, you have to check it. That's the other reason why I was telling you guys you have to focus on the current price.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
Mr.
Yeah.
Rain, should he
Yes.
should he leave it as daily support or should he change it because he moved it to 4-hour support now?
The other support line.
No, the
Yes, you
one
have to. The one on the one on top. Yes, you have to change it. If you move it on the 4-hour, you have to to change it to a 4-hour support line.
Yeah.
So even this one, as I'm moving it this way, I have to change it now.
Yes,
I have to
Yeah.
put it 4-hour support.
exactly.
So even this one, I have to call it. Yeah. Okay. That's true, Steve.
Yeah, very, 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 very nice reminder. Yeah, I see you guys. You are getting this. Thank you so much. So, Francis, are you done up to that area?
Yeah, up to this area
Mm-hmm.
here, I'll put a demand zone here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Finish. Then we will go over it.
You'll put a line.
Hold on. I think this base here,
Which one?
or is it okay? I think you will just have put it down here.
Here down. Now here there I have a question. Why is it supposed to be? What is this now? Mr. Rain,
Yes.
is it supposed to be there where I've drawn it, all here down? And why? Why not here? Why here? And what is the difference?
Pick your question.
There is this thing that I have drawn here for our
Mhm.
support. This one is supposed even to be a support. So now we are asking ourselves, is it supposed to be here where I have drawn it, or here down?
Yes, there is no difference. Here down looks good.
Okay.
You see, yes, there down looks good. Yeah, this was a rally-based rally. It's just that it was not good enough. It was a rally-based rally like this. Price created a rally, and then this was a base which was supposed to be at least here and here, but it kinda jumped off a little bit. You see it?
Yeah.
So sometimes that's why we told you guys these rally-based rallies, sometimes you might find them on the chart. They are not as perfect as you can see them on the books. Okay.
Okay.
So that's why we introduce, we normally say you look left. You look left. So what is the information to your left? We have a base here. You have a base here. And then this was the base. You can either decide to put it here or here. Here just looks good. this one here just looks good for me. Because this one is not clear, you can use this base. You use a clear base. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. So it is still on the same area. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, you look at a good area where you see a base. Once you see this one is not clear, it's just the same way like whenever we are on the 1 hour and we see like 1 hour is messy or there is a lot of information on the 1 hour, we go to the next higher time frame, okay? So that we can
Okay.
have a clear picture of what is happening. So what is our next base here? Since this base doesn't look so good, we use the next base, which are so close to each other. Okay?
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, it was a good rally-based rally, but it's just that it was not that as good as we thought. But you can decide either to draw a zone here. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, but the base here, the line support and resistance here looks good because we have two bases around this area. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. Keep going.
Now here at this point.
Uh-huh.
No, I wanted this one. This point I could see this one, but I opt not to take it because to me I think this candle for the value fair gap. This candle is not strong, so I decide not to take it. Is it okay or I can take it?
Yeah, if you do your analysis and you see that that candle is not okay, then it is not okay. You don't ignore the information you see because that one comes with a lot of learning. I don't like putting a fair value gap on a doji. I rather use a base, but this area is a good area because we have a base here. We have support. You can use the
Okay.
support. Yes, you can use the support, but if you have nothing, it is just this one alone. I recommend you use the support and resistance line or the zones, okay?
Okay.
Yes, you go with what looks good. We want a nice fair value gap like this, okay?
Okay.
Yes, this is a nice fair value gap, but we don't like this candle. We want a good candle like this one, okay? And this one.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
So
It
I
is
will also
just
not
like
put
you
it.
going in the market and choosing tomatoes. You don't take just any tomato. You choose the good tomato, okay? So
Yeah.
this
Yeah.
one, it was a good tomato. This was a good tomato, but this one in the middle was not good. We like this one is good, and this one is good, but this doji here, which is a pin bar, we don't like the way this candle is appearing. So for you, you use a base. You use the base. Use the base. You ignore this. You don't use this for you right now. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, use the information that appears so clear and crispy to you.
Okay.
Okay, keep going.
So here I'll draw the demand.
Mhm. Alan, you want to ask me another question? I'm ready. Spoil me.
It will come. It will come.
Steven, what are you doing?
Nothing. I'm waiting. I'm watching.
You're watching.
Yeah.
Okay, I want you to ask questions.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'll move this one. I'll remove this one because now
Mhm.
it has been replaced by the zone.
So, for example, so you normally use your zones, your demand zone to be blue. You like it blue?
Yes.
Okay.
And the supply
That's
red.
okay. Okay, no problem. That's okay.
The
If you
the
like it
only
like
thing,
that,
the only thing I say is make sure
Mhm.
you try to just you try to get as accurate as possible on your demand zones when you try to just bring it close, to the candle.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good.
Thank you.
Also on this upper side, I think this one.
Okay.
Yeah, they're good.
So this one now I change it to 4-hour support.
4 hour, yeah.
Same as to here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I hope you are noting something. Please,
Yeah, for
please.
me,
You can opt to
Okay.
put it here down.
no, for me also we have a rally-based rally, so I'd put a zone there, demand.
Zone here.
Yeah, the whole that red candle, it is one.
So this one.
Yeah.
You push it up. This one also zone. So that's it. Because this was the daily row.
Yeah.
So you
So
are
now you
done with
can go
the
with
you are done
4
with
hours.
the 4 hour.
Yes.
Okay, let's go back. Let's go back up there. We brush over it so fast. We see what you have missed. Okay, okay. So this one was good. This is a nice supply zone was good. And then again, this base was good. So now here you see a fair value gap has a support and a resistance line. So once you have a fair value like this, you can either decide to remove this line. This one.
This one.
Yes. Because you have a fair value gap, you have the back wall, which was our support, the middle line, and front wall, middle line, and the back wall. So they act as support and resistance line. Okay.
Yeah.
So when you look at this particular area, when you look left, there was some information. I was hoping that you could have marked it, but at least you missed it. At this part here, where there is empty. You see, we have a zone here. We have a base here, a base here, and a base here. So it's up to you. You don't ignore this, because this one price will react over them. These areas
Okay.
these are areas you don't ignore. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, you don't ignore those areas. You look left. You look left to go right. So you don't ignore those areas. Okay, sure. So let's see what if they are making sense on our other side. Do you see how this line is perfectly lining
Yes.
up with our fair value gap? Do you
Yes.
see how
Yeah.
this area is perfectly lining up with our fair value gap? This one is a
Yes.
bit closer. This one will help you to put your stop loss. Once you enter at this area, you put your stop loss at least below this zone, okay?
Okay.
So since this one and these ones are the same, because at the fair value gap we have support and we have support, you can just get rid of these two.
Okay.
I wanted you just to see something. So if you see an area like this is a good area to take a trade. You don't hesitate. You take a trade from that area, because you have two confirmations. Not two, three. The first confirmation, the trend is up, signifying we are looking for buys. And then we have a support lining with the fair value gap. Yes?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So we have two confirmation there. You don't hesitate to take that trade, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, then this fair value gap here is good. But you forgot to put the middle line. Here, just double click on it and activate that middle line.
How do I
That
do
is
it?
too much work. Just delete that, double click on this one. Yes, just go to style, then activate midline. Click that, check. Yeah, like that. Yeah, that one is good. That one is good. So let's go down. This area is good. This area is good. Let's go down. That one was good over there. Let's go down. So we had a demand here. This was, oh, sorry. Okay. This was the original demand around this area. This one. And then this still okay. You can either use this demand, which is still okay, or use this demand. So this is the current information that we have. And for our instance, we are looking for current information. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this is our current information, which is looking good. So here, if you stretch this chart, you can now draw your demand very well. If you stretch this chart, be big.
That way.
Yes. And now, another tip that you have forgotten, since we had a zone here, okay?
Yes.
Is everyone copying? Stephen, are you copying?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm copying.
Yes, since we had a demand zone here and we removed it, it was taken over by this one. So this point here, you don't leave it like that. You put a line there. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Make sure if this demand zone was replaced by this other newer demand zone, you put a line on the previous demand zone or supply zone, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. That line now tells you there was something here. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. Okay, let's continue. That is something I wanted to point out on that area. This one is good. This one is good. Continue. Continue. So another area is here. This zone is good, but it is too big. If you are trading at this zone, if you enter here, you must be able to withstand this drawdown. Okay, because there's a lot of liquidity below here. So the best area to enter this trade is below here. So you can either decide to draw your demand zone using this candle or the whole of this candle, or just put a line here and here. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, that now depends of you. If you like it to be a zone here, it is okay. But if you like it to use this small candle, it is still okay. If you like it to put line here and here down, it is still okay. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, those are some of the things I wanted to point out so that you understand. Let's go. Let's continue. Down, down, down. You see the reason why I've told you to note something, why I don't recommend taking a big area, because it will be hard for you to do the markup. You'll keep on pushing your chart up, then pulling it down. Are you seeing that?
Yes.
Yes. That is why I was telling you it is okay to focus on the current information. But it's still okay. This markup will save you time. Okay, keep going down. Yeah. Is that the end? So this is the end, yeah?
Yeah.
Pull it to the right so that we see what is in between here, this big space. Yeah, you have a zone. You have a zone here which you missed, and you have something here. This is a demand zone, and this is, you can put here a line or a zone. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, it's up to you. You can either decide to put a line or put a zone there. You see how practice is making things to look so good?
Yes.
Yeah, now you're not fumbling. It's just a little bit of some things that we need to brush over it so that we might fix our errors. Now go to the right and see. Let us see what is happening there. If those lines are valid or invalid. Let's go to the left. Yeah, do you see how this line this line is almost here? So this line is close to this line here. So we have this line and we have a zone here. So zones are stronger than lines. Zones, supply and demand zones are stronger than support and resistance lines. So it is okay to remove this because it is closer to this area when we have a zone here.
Okay.
Or you can leave it if you like it. But for me, I like removing it. So do you see this, how this line played out?
Yes.
This over here. Do you see how
Yes.
this support area played out?
Yeah.
Yes, that's why I recommend you, when you are doing your markup, you don't just ignore this empty space. You look left and see what was happening here. What made the price not to come down here to clear this space? You have to look left to see. So we saw that there was a lot of support at this area, and there's a lot of support at this area. That's why you see price touched this area and pushed up. There was a lot of buying pressure at those areas. So it means that these zones were good zones for the price. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, so you don't ignore them. You have to look left so that you can compare with the right side and see which ones stand out. Okay.
I'm curious to see what happened there on this time frame. Can you just go left a little bit? We see. It's a very nice liquidity grab area.
Mhm. Yeah.
That was that was a very strong base, and it also amazing.
That was a base area, and this one was a demand zone. Do you see this thing? This was a very very big demand zone from here to here. This was a demand zone. Yeah. So there was a lot of buying pressure from this point. That's why you see that candle just come and touch this line and pushed up.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, keep going. I hope you guys you are noting something.
Yeah.
Very much, very much. Yeah.
Yeah. And the boys have upgraded so much. I'm not struggling like before.
Yeah, I can see
Yes.
that. Yeah,
They're taking these things seriously. So now I'm just brushing over, trying to tell them things that we could not tell them in the class unless they see it. Yeah. Yes, Francis, you can move on to the next time frame.
Okay.
Yeah. You're doing great, brother. Don't be scared. Oh, whoa. Mm.
So now we are here. This is where now I start because our current price is here. So even I change it to become one hour surprise one.
Oh, so
And this one I give it 1 hour support and resistance.
So before you move on, I want you guys, are you agreeing that is a supply zone?
No.
Hmm?
Which one? The upper one?
This one.
Yes. Are you all in agreement that that is a supply zone? Stephen, why I need your mic to be on. Don't mute yourself. You have to unmute yourself. Don't mute yourself.
Yeah.
We are asking, are you in agreement that that is a supply zone that Francis has drawn there?
No.
Yeah.
Because
Hmm.
The red one, yeah, I actually agree that that one is a supply zone.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's
Me,
a
I'm seeing
supply
a
zone.
drop-based drop.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
From
yeah,
here,
I
this
could
is
have because it is I can see a drop-based drop, so I could have drawn my supply zone from this base candle,
Mm-hmm.
the green one this way.
Yeah.
Sorry, this way.
You guys, are you sure before I take my rungu?
yeah, me, I'm sure.
Francis.
Also,
Yes.
Because me, I thought because this candle we can stick this candle and become one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I know there is this one that I could have taken. I think generally the reason why I took this one is so small. So yeah, that is the
Mm-hmm.
thought.
also
You
for
said
me,
what is small? Mm-hmm. What are you saying, Alan?
I could have drawn.
Hmm?
We have this zone here. This one.
Yeah.
Then I could have drawn my support and resistance line
Okay.
because that's a small zone.
So I have a question for you, Mr. Alan. So between this zone and this zone that you're saying, which one is newer?
This zone.
Are you sure?
Newer, like from we have a new zone here, of course.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Now we look at price in when you are doing our markup, we go with the current information. So between this zone here, this one, and this one here that you're saying, which one is our current?
This one.
Yes. So if this one is your current, which one will you use?
The current one.
But you have said this one.
It was also.
Okay, 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 okay. So okay, you all of you are right. It's just that I'm surprised what you guys you are really crying for. You are not even using it. I've not even heard anyone mentioning it anywhere. Eh? You
Oh,
guys you said, oh, we want to learn about liquidity, and you guys are not even talking about liquidity.
Oh yeah, the liquidity zone above the
Yeah,
demand zone.
I was expecting that. I was expecting that, bro. I was
Oh,
saying
right
like,
here.
"Eh, we got a nice liquidity, so somebody to tell us the liquidity. You guys, so if you are going to draw a zone at this point, the best place to draw your zone, this zone here was taken over by this zone here. So you have to draw your zone to up to this point. It's just that, Francis, you have made your chart so smaller. Ebu, can you stretch your chart? Stretch your chart. Stretch it. Let it be big enough so that you can see it so clearly. Yeah. Your candles are they are very thin. Make them a little bit. But yeah, and then stretch it up. Stretch it up. Again, again. So up to that point,
Wow,
are you
this is
still saying
Francis doing this.
this? Yes,
This is Francis doing that. Wow, amazing.
yes. So are you saying this zone is still small?
No, now it is big.
Yes, yes. So you have to get into the habit of making your chart bigger. So this area, you're good. You're good at this area. Yes, it's a nice area. You can decide either to put here your zone and put here a line, or either use this liquidity up here. Just mark up this liquidity and put here a line, or here. Okay?
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, so now it depends with what goes well for you. And somebody has just drawn something here. You are not seeing this, which I was waiting for you to tell me, apart from the liquidity. What
Actually,
is this?
I was expecting them to mention this when you ask them why do they think this area is a supply zone. I was expecting
Yeah,
someone to go a little bit left and
yes.
come up with a very good answer.
Yeah, but they are good. They are good. So it is just
Yeah.
practice. Practice. Keep doing the practice. You are well. Keep doing the practice. So Francis,
Yes.
finish your work.
Okay.
So what
Then
will answer
here I can put the value gap.
there? Mhm.
Hey, we Alan,
Yeah.
nani ashiki calls?
Ai, ilikuwa kitambo nilitry kuvutia Steve kitambo sana.
Okay.
Time ulitext kwa nini mcall.
Oh, okay. Ndio naona saizi.
Francis, why are you struggling? You have the template. Just right click and do
This is
the
for
thing.
1 hour.
Yes, you can just right click, replace, just use the template, or you have the 1 hour fair value gap on top of you. Why are you struggling?
Ah,
Yes. Oh no. Let me take a cup of tea.
Oh, nagonga na chai.
Yeah. I want to see them clear.
Official.
So this one I put 1 hour resistance.
What if you could just draw a zone because we have a bearish
Yeah.
engulf?
Yeah, so a zone can do it.
Yeah.
One hour. Anybody can see 1 hour.
Yeah, just below you, just below the flip zone.
So this one now changes to 1 hour support. They put 1 hour support. Only it could have come here.
Just reset, right click that chart, right click in the middle of, yeah, click there. Yes, reset that chart. Okay. Now put it into a way you can be able to draw the zones. I'm seeing you're struggling. Stretch it to the right or left. That is okay. That's okay. Okay, finish the markup so that we can let you guys rest.
So this one, this fair value gap, I'll so this one I'm checking the other side. Oh.
No. Go back. You have information in front of you. You don't need to go back.
So I don't need to
You
go
have
back
current
anymore.
information. Yes. Use current information.
Okay, so this one. Yeah.
Could you just draw a zone there?
The only time we go back is when we have an empty space, Francis.
Okay.
Yes, you go back when there is nothing, when you have nothing. The only time you look for direction is when you're in the middle of nowhere. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
But if you have the signs that show you this road goes to this position, this road goes to this position, do you need to go back and look at the other side?
No.
No.
Okay. Thank you. Oh, the 1 hour demands are different from the 4 hour, the daily. Just
Oh.
super. That's super amazing. Make your chart, stretch it so that you can be able to draw a nice zone that area. You see, even your demand zone, you did not draw it so well. Fix that. So before you just continue into this area, Steven, I want you to point for me a mistake that you have seen.
Okay.
Eh?
The 4-hour demand zone, you should correct it.
Okay.
You should if I was you, I would bring it to this one right here.
Vehicle technologies. It's part of like computer science, whereby now you're able to detect and transmit
Just
data.
adjust the demand zone and then change to a 1-hour demand zone.
Like asset protection. But when someone tries to move it, it sends an alert.
Okay.
And
David, you will mute yourself. Thank you. Keep going, keep going.
also is this fair value gap? Is this a 1-hour fair value gap or 4-hour fair value gap?
This was 1 hour.
Okay, yeah.
You just double click on it and just name
Okay.
it 1 hour. Oh,
Yeah.
your things are different on the other time frame. That's super awesome.
I need to correct it.
It's okay. You will correct it on your free time. No problem. Just do it for now. We will.
Yeah.
Don't worry. Yeah. You will be correcting it on your free time just to save on time. You can just do with what we have.
Yeah. I'll bring it to right here. Even mark this support line too as well.
Pardon?
Hey, you could do this support line too. Because this one.
Yeah, Francis.
Yes.
I want to show you how to draw a nice demand zone. Can you double click on that demand zone? I don't like it. Double click on it. Let's fix this mess. Go to the background color. Click on it. Put this green. This one.
This one?
Yes, click on it. Okay, reduce up to here. The opacity. Reduce again. Again. Yes, there is good. Okay, now I want you to go to the border. Border here. Make it white. Isn't that looking sexy?
Yeah.
Can you be able to draw that? Now go to the text. You can make it white or black. Yeah. Now click here. Click template. Save as. Click 1H. Write 1H. I click on this. Click on this 1 hour demand zone here. Then click save. Yes, replace it. Okay, click OK. Nice. So I want us to now fix this. Go to this one here. Double click in it. Okay, wait, let me remove these drawings. Okay, now go to style. click here on the background. Use this gray or this one. Reduce the opacity up to here. Again, add and make it here. Yep. Again, a little bit more. There. Nice. Now go to the to middle line. Make it click here. Here down here.
Where?
Down here. Do you see where it says thickness? Down here. In the middle. Down here. Yes,
Thickness.
this line. This middle line here. This one. Yes, click that line. Now on the click this here.
This one?
Here, middle line. Make it white. Click middle line, make it white. Click border, make it white. I go to text. Make it white. Isn't that visible?
Yes.
Now go to the click. Now go to the template. Save as 1H. Click on the first one. Yes, save it. Once you save like that, you are replacing your template, your previous template, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
I want you to try with this. Just right click here and replace that template here. 1 hour demand zone. Isn't that looking good?
Wow. Yes.
And now adjust it now very well. Now this one you can see it, so you can draw your zones like that. You see your chart now is looking like a professional trader.
Sure.
Yes. Everyone, use this. Don't confuse yourself. In the hub, we use demand zone for green, supply zone for red. Fair value gaps gray, liquidity zone gray. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, that one makes the work easier. Those coloring you can use them when you have gone advanced. You see the way this thing now is looking so well,
Yeah.
perfectly drawn.
Yes.
Okay, let's move on.
So now we are here.
Hmm.
This one, I decided to put it here.
Mm-hmm.
We also have this base.
Okay.
That one is a sharp boy. You see everything. Sharp boy. So, Mr. Friedman, why do you think that one is a base? Continue, Mr. Francis. I know you are tired. Continue. Let's finish. Let's finish now.
Or is it not a base? Because
No,
It is
I'm
a base.
asking you. You said it's a base. Me, I don't know.
yes, that candle closed and opened at the same
Help,
price
help
level.
me understand. What? Don't know.
No, this candle closed and opened at the
Eh?
same price level.
It closed and opened at the same price level.
Market level, something like that.
Hmm? What are you murmuring, bro? I can't hear you.
I'm not murmuring, bro.
You don't know.
For me, I'd take it as a base.
Okay.
Yeah.
You'll take it as a base. Okay. We'll get back to that later.
Okay.
Let Mr. Francis first finish his thing so that we can go back and brush over it so fast. So I want you guys to be doing this every day. You wake up, you do at least one chart, then you go walk away. How about that?
That's good.
That's good.
Yeah, just to remind yourself that you are a trader. It's just like a soldier. You don't leave your gun. You always walk with your gun. No, that's a good one. You don't check. Oh, no.
I don't know, I'm
Click,
supposed to leave it.
click this one. Click this undo arrow. Click this undo.
Where is it? Why is that undo?
On top here where it is about next to replay. This undo
No,
arrow here.
there are some things which are there. Oh
Oh,
my goodness. How do I pick it?
okay, just right click on it and put it back to 4-hour support. I will tell you why. The reason why you don't change this is because this line is good. It is still on the base. The only time you change it to a 1-hour support is when you move it to a base, to the next base, or when the line was not on the base and it was from the other time frame. Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. So for this one, is still a 4-hour support because you see it is still on the base. It is valid.
Yes.
Not like this one, which was inside here. So you moved it here. That's why you change it to a 1-hour support. Okay.
Oh no, yes.
Yes. That. I hope you have understood that. Okay, keep going. Mm. Yeah. That fair value gap was super.
So
You're
can I
done.
reach there?
Yes, sir. Go back up there. Let's brush over it so fast. Let's brush over it so fast. So up here, this was the original supply zone
Yes.
up here. Yes. But this supply zone, did you see how it played out?
Yeah.
It managed to hold price, right?
Yes.
This one was a liquidity area, which no one was talking about it. Can we say that liquidity has been taken?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. This one was liquidity. We said where do we find liquidity? Above supply zones, below demand zone, and on the highs and the lows. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo, so this was a supply zone. We had the liquidity above it. So now we can say that liquidity was taken. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
This area is still valid because it is still inside the supply zone. Okay?
Yeah.
This fair value here is okay. Now, this area is still valid. This is a rally, drop, base, then it dropped. So this is a nice supply zone, right?
Yes.
But once you have a supply zone like here, this line, you have to get rid of it, which you did not get rid of it because you have a zone there. You feel free to get rid of that line. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah, so this one is a nice base. Do you pull your chart up? Yeah, so this one is a nice zone. I don't know why you did not draw it. This is a nice zone. You can either draw it using this candle or draw it from this candle here to this candle. This is a nice demand zone. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, you should draw it. That's a nice demand zone. The reason why we are seeing it looking big is just because you have stretched your candles. Yes, that's a nice demand zone. And then this is a nice fair value gap. Let's go down. Down, 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 down. Yeah, here we are good. Here we are good. Let's go down. So Alan, makes this chart bigger around this area. I want to show you. So Alan. Yes, stretch it this way. It is okay. There. Bring it to the center.
How do I bring it to the center?
Yes. At least fanya candles zikuwe mnono kidogo. Bring this. No. Bring it to the center here. Yeah, Alan. Now
Yes.
I want this part to be visible from top here to down here. I want it to be visible. Pull it down a little bit. Okay. Now try to shrink your chart so that I can be able to see up, down. Again. There is okay. So Alan, I want you to tell me what is this?
I've already seen it. It's the continuation of the other red candle, so it is a
No, you
rally.
failed to answer your question. Let me now teach you now. So this was an impulse move, okay?
Yeah.
Then this was a pullback, right? Yes.
Yeah.
Then we had another impulse move. So what is this? And what is this?
High.
This is what?
High and high and low high.
So this is a low and this is a high.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
we said highs and lows receive bases automatically. Do you remember that class?
Yeah.
Yes.
You don't remember, you should go back. Highs and lows receive bases. That's why you said you have to put a base here. It's just that you did not remember why you're putting the base here. So you are very, very correct. Highs and lows receive bases. And remember, we have a nice base also above here, but this base was taken over by this base. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah, so keep going. So, okay. So what is this?
Which one?
Here.
That's a demand zone.
That's a
Okay.
demand zone.
Yes, you
Study
can
base
decide to
study.
put there. You can either draw the zone or put a line. It's still okay. It depends with what you like. If you like it, you can put a zone. If you like it, you can put a line. I'm just reminding you guys. So this is the information we are giving you, and whatever you do with the information, that is always up to you. Okay. Nice, 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 nice. So you have to get rid of that base. Yeah. Now I want you to stretch this chart. This is where trouble is.
I think
Want
there's
to
someone
fix
sleeping,
trouble.
yeah?
Eh?
There must be someone sleeping.
Who is the Steven is sleeping.
Nah, he's sleeping.
Okay, so now are you agreeing that this is a good demand zone?
Yeah.
Yes, Steven?
It was supposed to be here.
I think
No,
you could
wait.
I think you
I've
could
not
put
said
it
that it's a
here.
bad demand zone. You don't miss. No. I'm
Yeah,
just
it is.
asking.
It
Eh?
is. It is.
Yeah. Yeah.
Study base study.
It is a good demand zone.
Yes.
Yeah.
So are you sure?
Yes.
Yes. But if it
You
was
are
me,
sure.
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay, and Mr. Steven?
yeah, I think it's good. But if it was me, I would just bring the top line to this one, because then you can still you will still hit the support line right there in your demand zone for me.
Okay, okay, nice. I want to touch on something which we will touch on it a little bit later, but let me touch on it right now. So when you are looking at demand and supply zone in form of bullish and bearish engulfing candles, we always want to see that red or green candle, which we normally use it to draw support on that supply and demand zone. At least this bigger candle that has engulfed that candle, at least it is more than 50%. It is more than 50%. At least it is more than 50, like this one here. You see the way this candle engulfed this one.
Yes.
Yes.
But this one, when you look at this one here, it is almost the same to this one, which makes it not to be a good demand zone. Yes, it is a demand zone, but it's not a good one.
Yeah.
So you can either decide to draw a zone here and to put a line here. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Because as you can see, this area here, yeah, now that makes sense. Yes. At least make sure when you're looking at for that engulfing candle, at least Make sure the green or red candle has engulfed the other one.
Yes.
Make sure it is at least it is much more bigger, at least more than 50%. This one is below the 50%, at least. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Or David, you have something you want to add on that?
No, I'm good with that. I'm good with that. That is super awesome. Yeah.
Yeah. At least to avoid manipulation. We will normally do that to avoid the manipulation in the market. You might think it's a good zone, but you see price weakening you out.
Yeah, just maybe to ask, who should I ask? Steven. What is the area to focus here? This area? What can you see? If price breaks this demand area that you've just drawn, what is our area of interest?
This 1 hour support like that.
That is for Steven.
Oh shit.
Wewe tutakumute wewe.
Nimeona abongi like ameuliza.
Okay. Let Steven answer that.
Okay. Sorry for that.
You have to buy us coffee.
This guy is a billionaire. He's already started below accounts.
It was a one-time thing, man. Like, I'm not going to do it any day soon.
How did it feel? Did you get that margin call? Top up.
Kindly top up your account.
Oh no. Am I still waiting for the answer? Are you still waiting for the answer, guys?
Yeah.
Steven, are you still loading the answer?
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know you was talking to me. I'm sorry. I was waiting for you guys. I'm like, shoot, will anybody gonna say something? I'm sorry. Please ask me. Please kindly ask me again.
Yo, man.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So what is the answer?
Wait, please. Can you please repeat the question for me?
I knew it.
Hey, you got me, man. I can't lie, you got me. Yo.
Knew it. Oh no.
You knew somebody was sleeping.
Yeah. So my question was,
yeah,
just we have already identified this as the demand area. When we break this area, our area of focus will be where?
When we break this area on the downtrend, our area of focus will be this one.
Okay.
To the next support line.
The next support line. Okay. It's okay. I just wanted to wake you up because you are not there with us. Alan.
Yeah.
You wanted to, was that the answer that you had, or you had a different view?
No, it was that one.
It was that one.
Yeah.
Francis, can you have something bigger or different?
The same.
The same. Okay, Mr. Rain.
Yes.
I think you never taught this guy about this.
Wait.
None of them is talking about it. Anyway, it's okay.
You said the next area.
Yeah.
I talked of an area.
You can't do that for me, man. Francis.
Yes.
You have crucified me alive.
No. He said the next area, so we focused on this, not infinity.
The next area. I clearly said the next area. What is an area? You guys are
Ah,
showing me a fence, not an area.
Do you think the next call, do you think when you do my the replay, the back testing, do you think you could also show me how to do how to just set up all my liquidity zones, like how to trade from my liquidity zones? Cause I want to learn to use the liquidity zones more in my charts.
Okay. We don't rush. We will go there on how to trade from one liquidity area to another and how those liquidity areas do play out. So those are the parts of what we'll be jumping on once you guys solidify on these things. Okay?
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
That's why I was saying we at least stop learning and start practicing the other things we have learned so that you can remember instead of adding you more and more and more and more, and the other ones are giving you challenges.
Okay.
Yes, so these are, I'm not seeing any of you saying that there's liquidity here, there is this one here. No one is talking about liquidity. Liquidities are important aspects. You should be talking about liquidities. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So we have liquidity below. That is what you missed, but it's okay. Keep going. Want to see what is. I know you guys are tired and sleepy. Even Alan is saying, these guys will finish at what time?
It is done now.
That's deep. Okay. I'm doing this because you said that area is correct. So in this one, is
Which
this
one?
area correct?
Yeah.
I cannot see
Okay.
annotation. Which area? Oh,
Let's move on. I mean this point. Is that area correct?
I could also draw. There was a supply zone there. Then it was flipped.
Me, I left it that way because it was a 4 hour and the same information appeared. So yeah, that's why I left it.
It's okay. Let's move. I leave that for you to gamble. But all of you are right. You can put a zone there. You can put a support and resistance line there. So it's almost up to you. Wow, it's almost 2 p.m., 2 a.m. Let's finish this. So here everything is okay. Move down. Yeah, here everything is okay. Keep moving. Yes. So I think you have exhausted everything, and you guys you have learned. Yes, keep going, keep going.
That is the end.
Yeah. So I think you can just click this reset button below and reset the chart view. So you see how you have done your thing. So
Yes.
now I want you to move up there. Make your chart bigger at this area. I have a question for Mr. Steven. Make it bigger around this area. This area. Make it bigger around this area. I want to see that. Steven, are you ready? Like that, like that. Now stretch it to this side, at least the candles to gain some fats. Like that, like that. So, Mr. Steven, Steven. Hello. Yeah, where is he? Steven. Yo,
Yes.
are you with us?
Yeah.
I have a question for you now. What type of trade will you take here?
Me, I'm taking a sell.
From where?
I'm taking a sell from right. I could take a sell from here.
Where? Down here?
Yeah.
Are you sure you can be able to jump in the air?
Yeah.
I also
'Cause
did that. I did that
You
with the
can jump
gold.
in the air.
say again with this I don't know this to me, I look at this, I will go take a sell from here to the next demand zone.
No, where is the zone that you need to take your cell? You
Oh,
can't take the cell up to
the
nowhere.
supply zone. I wait for the retest, but if it doesn't
Yeah.
come back, I will sell.
And where is
Yeah.
your take profit will be where?
I will put my take profit on. I will put my take profit here. My TP here at the first wall.
Your take profit where?
Right here at the 1 hour demand zone. The first wall at the 1 hour demand zone.
Huh.
Yeah.
What about this?
Me, I like to hold. I like to hold it. I feel like the demand zone is strong. So
Okay.
so me, I like to take the more of a bigger risk.
So we say you are greedy.
Hey man, I'm risk taker, eh? You gotta take risk to be rich.
Okay. Thank you all for. I hope you guys you have anyone with a question before we wind up. I think we have gone so much.
May I have a question?
Yes, Francis.
How do I retest or at that point, where do I expect the market, or where will I enter?
You enter which type of trade?
Sale.
Okay. Now, where is your sell zone?
Sell zone.
Mm-hmm.
Here.
Mark for me places you can enter a sell.
And either
Just
wait to
point, I will see. Just point. Where can you enter a sell?
I will wait for it to retest here.
And that is the first place. Where is the second place you can enter a sell?
Here.
Mm-hmm. What other place you can enter a sell?
I know that.
So the first place you can enter a sell, according to where price is, it is here. Or
Yes.
if we break below, if it breaks and closes below this zone, you can enter a sell at this. Now this one will be resistance to up to the demand zone. The third place to enter a sell as this fair value gap. Okay.
Okay.
Now the other place, the fourth place to enter a trade at this supply zone. You can sell here, sell at this zone, and sell at this zone below. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
If we talk about buys, the first buy we can take it from this zone. If it breaks this up below here, we take a buy. If now we break above this supply zone, we take a buy. If this fair value gap fails to hold price, we wait until we see what happens at this zone. If this price now breaks above this supply zone, we take a buy. Okay?
Okay.
Yes.
It is close and break and close above, below. That is what we do. That's why you see us predicting where price can go. It's because we have seen something. If now this price, we see it breaking above this zone, we are so confident to take that buy because we are seeing what?
Fair value.
Yeah, very good.
Yes, and what do we know the market is coming for up here? Yes?
It will come to the fair value gap because
Yeah.
it acts like a magnet.
Okay, now what else? What else do we think that when price now starts pushing up, we will now know that price will be coming for, apart from the supply zones here?
The liquidity.
Yeah, even I have drawn for you guys. You are not seeing.
We've seen,
Yeah,
we've
I
seen.
see. Yeah.
Okay. That's how we enter and exit trade, Mr. Francis. Any other question? It's a nice question.
No.
I know you are tired. So I think now I think this lesson has helped you, Francis, to figure out some of the stuffs that you may think.
Yes, really,
Mr. Alan, I think
really,
that
it has
the
helped
reason
me.
why you see Mr. Alan rushing like that, I was with him the same class, but he was alone. So he had no help.
Okay.
And he there was another lady inside, so he had to be smart.
Yeah, he was motivated. Okay, I get you.
Oh, no. Now I feel like I bring trouble. Also, you want me to bring in a lady to be motivated?
Aaron,
So, Stephen,
Yes.
on what day do we have
if I
to
lost this
do this,
or
David?
this?
Monday? Yes, I will be with you the same thing. You will be the one next.
Okay.
I did the lesson with you the other time, but I feel like we have to go it back again.
Yeah.
So if no one has a question, I think we can wind up at that particular point. I hope you guys,
Okay.
you have grasped something.
Yeah.
yes.
And I hope this lesson has been helpful to you guys. I
Yeah,
hope you
yeah.
guys now you can take trades freely
To me, it
and
has
you can
really
now
helped
see
me.
the zones. And by the way, big up to you guys. I see a lot of improvement from you. It is so much improved from when we look at the previous sessions, the way you guys were fumbling. Right now, you guys, you are seeing things. I'm even surprised. That's super amazing. Thank you guys for your continued commitment. Okay?
Okay,
Yes.
welcome.
Yeah.
Thank you also.
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Gracias. Okay. So my people, see, we say good night. Keep on sending the good vibes. Maybe Monday we might have a guest, Jason. I'm just waiting for the reply. I still want to confirm the time. If Jason confirms, I'll basically put I'll confirm it tomorrow. You can invite your friends during that day when he's coming because he's going to over-deliver just to be able to impact your lives as well as maybe your family, your friends, people who are looking into building themselves, because Jason is more of a family guy. He has just built an elite men's community platform that is maybe he'll be coming also to tell you more about it, on how you can also benefit from it. That is what he just introduced to me like recently. So if you manage to have a session with him, that will be super awesome. Jason was mentored personally by Bob Proctor alongside Darren Gibson. So right now, I think he's in France, he's moving countries, working for these, consulting companies, like they call him everywhere. So he has built a very big platform. So when he comes in, bring all your relationships questions, bring all your mindset questions, how to navigate through life. He's very young. I think Jason is, Jason was 21, so 3, 4. I think Jason is now around 26, 25 years. I'm not sure. And he has 25, 26. No. I think Yeah, I think he's going to is actually going to 30s, but I think he's way younger. He has a family. So this is a guy who, the only guy I saw with his age jumping into platforms where there are people who have been in marriage for 50 years, 60 years, and Jason was giving them advice. So Jason was literally giving them advice on how to live in a proper marriage. So sometimes it's not about age. It's never about, it's exposure.
Yeah.
The level of capability of how you've grown yourself. So yeah, if we get a chance, I'll shoot you guys a link to, I think you will be joining us. So you guys will have the link. Is you guys who will be able to share the link to other people who will literally want to benefit from this. I'm bringing in the affiliating thing on how you guys can also be able to, help your friends, because I know now that you're starting to do this, you're starting to see value. You're able to see friends who are maybe interested in doing such a thing. We're still limiting people who are coming in, but if you know a friend who wants to really, whose tunnel vision is like yours only, and it's a person who you're able to help. So I want also to show you a way of you can help somebody and also benefit from it. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, a way you can also help somebody and also benefit from it. I'm going to introduce the affiliate, but we'll be limiting how people are coming in as well, because we don't want to take just a bunch of people. The person who was here, Kaitlyn, she is in the UK. She got me into a platform talking, and that's when she was so much interested. And she said, "Oh, David, I really want my daughter to. I want to connect you with my daughter so that you can really help her in navigating life through 1, 2, 3." She's really interested in like in blasting this thing to her platform. Then I'm like, no. That's why you actually saw how she was asking a lot of questions and how, or like, how do you put this thing out? I'm still, keep it low key. I don't want you to blast it. We still want to filter individuals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for you guys who have tested it, who have been here, and you know somebody who is interested, who is out there in the jungle, because trust me, a lot of people are being scammed outside here. That is the worst thing that like what really kills me. People are paying money outside there to be taught for 7 days about trading, surely. For 7 days. You're going to be taught about trading for 7 good days. Somebody's going to teach you 1, 2, tomorrow is telling you to fund an account and start trading. My friend, Alan has already tested it. Alan, you've already tested it. It doesn't mean that you're not going to blow other accounts, but now you'll just be blowing accounts based on your own like reasons. I'm very sure right now, Alan, you know why you failed.
Exactly.
So this is not a get rich quick scheme, but having this skill will elevate your life to a point you'll never, trust me, when you test your first money, your first profit in trading, your second money, your third money.
Oh my goodness, I'm waiting for that, Mr. Ray.
Yes,
my
I'm
friend.
waiting for that.
It will get
I don't know
there.
whether Steve is waiting for that.
That freedom of independence on being able to see that I just did this and I was able to get this. Then you start comparing, like, okay, this is how I've actually been earning. This is how I've been, this is the amount I deposited. This is the amount that I made. It starts to shift your goals and your dreams. If you had settled for 1,000 shillings in your work, you'd be like, my boss, I think you should increase my salary for me to stick here. Those are the kind of thoughts that now start kicking in your mind, because you're like, wait, I did this for a certain time and I've been able to earn this. So you see, you increase your mind, you increase your goals, and what is the best way to live. If you know now, like, okay, me making $10 an hour is nothing. Me making 1 hour an hour is nothing. Do you know what value? You're now bringing yourself to a different level because you're shifting your values now. You're now looking at things differently. You're now negotiating differently. If you're sitting in the table trying to negotiate deals, you negotiate it differently. Right now, for me, if somebody is trying to get me a gig or something, I'm able to negotiate it differently. I mean, I've actually turned deals down. People who want to, because I'm looking in the near future, I'm like, this is slavery. This is not going to be for me. I just say no. It's not because that I don't need that money. At some point, it's not that I'm having a very big cash flow. I get broke. I'm still learning how to manage my finances. I get broke, like real broke. Real broke. But that assurity that I might be broke today, but tomorrow, tomorrow, I have no problem with paying those bills. I can pay those bills for a whole year. I can pay those bills for whole 5 years with no pressure. It makes you start living life differently, start looking life differently in a different spectrum. So keep doing what you guys are doing. The future is always brighter. The future is brighter. If you see it in a very good lens, you'll be astonished on how and how much you can make by just studying this skill alone. Just this skill. You'll be astonished. This does not harbor you to do other things. This actually encourages you, gives you more freedom. You'll be doing more other things with the freedom. You know, now you'll be now working your job, knowing that you're not working this job really for, you're not like, you know, what kills a man is when you're working a job month in, month out, month in, month out, and you're not seeing any progress in your life. You're not seeing the end game. You'll be like, I'm now 30, I'm now 40, I'm now 50. What have I done in my life? How are my kids going to survive? How will I ever change my generation? Those are the things that kills a man. It's not the work that he's doing right now. It's the future. Because you're like, will I be doing this until I'm 70? Will I be doing this until I'm 80? Will I be doing this until I'm 90? Will I ever get to a point of owning blah, blah, blah? So those are the thoughts that start killing a man. But when you've started to leverage yourself, you can leverage that, you now know, okay, I just need to work myself like for 2 good years, 3 months, I'll save this and this amount because now I'm getting this amount as my salary. I'm able to put my salary here. I'm able to scale my salary. So if I'm earning 50K a month, with this 50K, I can take 20K, invest it in my business now, in your business, which is this skill set that you've learned, invest it here, and this 20K, if I do it well enough, I know this 20K can give me another 50K within this month. So total, how much will you be earning in that month?
30.
So you'll be having an extra 30. So you combining your finances now, it is no longer 50, it is now 80. You now know, okay, and I can now pay my rent well without worry, without it, and I can be able to save this. And you do it consistently for 2 good, 3, 4 years. You now realize, okay, what can I do now? I think I've already created this platform so much well that I'm not able, I don't need again to clock in, to clock out. I'm now able just to come back, focus here. Put a business aside like what Mr. Rain did. You have a business aside that is generating you some little income from that business, which you are waking up the time that you want, you're coming in the evening the time that you want, and you also have what? if because you cannot rely on one stream of income. When the business is not doing well, your trading is doing awesome. Because trading, you can do it anywhere. You can do it while you're working, while you're going where, you can do it anywhere, anytime. And it doesn't require much of your time. Right now, it requires much of your time to put in whatever you guys are actually putting in. Right now, it does require that. And you can see it's a sacrifice for the future. It's a sacrifice to save on yourself on the time that is coming up there. So kudos, guys. Steve-O, doing awesome. Alan, you guys learning this thing way younger. Woo. I know Francis there is like, bro, I wish I would have known certain things at a certain age.
I
But
just
there's
wish.
never the right time. The right time is always now. I'm very
Just
sure.
wish.
Yeah. Imagine, Francis, right now, where you are, and you already knew about this kid.
I couldn't be here.
You cannot be sitting where those guys are sitting. Right now, you could be in your own place.
Yeah. Literally.
But there's never the right time. The right time is always now.
Yeah,
It is
sure.
never late. It is never early. It is always now. You guys have seen people 70s, 80s, 50s studying this. So why should you retire to now come and start studying trading? You know, it's always funny. Eh? It's when you now get that awakening, like, oh,
And me, guys, I have to leave you.
okay, bro. You good night. I allow you. I know tomorrow is another day for you. Hey,
No, it's not tomorrow.
yeah.
It's today.
Oh, it is not tomorrow. It is already 2. Okay,
Yes,
you
I'm
only
going
have
to
4
sleep
hours, 5
for some
hours.
hours and then I kick on.
Oh, no. Yeah, you go to sleep, bro. But good
Thank you very
improvement, guys.
much, and I appreciate it.
Awesome.
Big up
You
to
good?
all. Good.
Okay.
Aya, Steve-O, Alan, you guys have something to say? Nelly?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
thank you.
Me, I've given them.
You are exhausted.
So
Mhm. You exhausted? You go to
me,
sleep? I know.
me
I
no.
know for you tomorrow is Sunday, and the way you are looking, I'm not seeing you going to church. I'm not seeing you going to the altar.
Why?
Yeah, so yeah, nasema nini? Are you still? Yes, I'm still. No. Huyu siwezi mwambia niko still kwa call. Diana.
Nani? Hapana we. No. Diana?
Huyu hata siwezi mwambia sahii bado niko kwa call. Ndio anafika kwake sasa. Alikuwa ameenda kuona mama.
Oh, nimejua sasa. Oh, nishaipitia kwa nini fulani kwa hub huko kwa Volt, ndio niliona ukinini hivi kamera, ndio nikaona hiyo sura. Alikuwa na nini book strategy mbaya sana, alikuwa anachangamka mbaya sana.
Yeah.
Changamka.
Ni sasa
So,
acha
so practice. Sasa unaona nini? Hii kitu ni practice tu. Sasa unaona vile hawa sasa nimewapitisha. Sasa nani ndio bado naona ni kama hiyo nitadili na nipatie time mzuri na wewe jamani, ni busy.
who Steven? Okay, yeye ndio ana lag bado, yeye ndio the lagging indicator.
Ndio na lag kidogo, ni kama anafanya mambo mingi, ni kama ana chat, ni kama kwa call pia.
Na Steven amemaliza high school juzi, kijana tu mdogo hata njoo. By the way, I think her mom alikuwa ananitext ananiambia hii September I think ndio alikuwa anataka sasa aingie sasa university. But alitaka kijana akuwe na this knowledge. Yeah.
Naona Alan anatumia knowledge vizuri.
Kijana huyu. Kudos. How much did you blow?
Ka $46.
Kwa nini hawa waliniambia 30? Okay. Sawa.
Niliweka separate, nilikuja nika.
Oh, okay. It's okay.
Unajua
Only
hiyo.
gold. Actually ukiweka 40 usitrade gold. Tutaanza kuambia accounts, the way ya kumanage accounts. Ukiweka 100, which pairs will we advise you to trade? Ukiweka certain, only ukifika level fulani ndio unaweza trade gold na $40. Ukifika level fulani, I can allow you to trade nayo gold na hiyo amount. So hiyo unaweza trade nayo euro, USD, scale kidogo. Ukianza kufika 100 hapo na nini, so unaweza anza kucheza na gold 0.1 ukirisk ma 20. Yeah. But right now, if you really want to do it live, ukiweza jifund kitu kama hiyo, avoid, only trade gold when you're getting the clearest. Gold can really scale hiyo 40 kwa siku, unaweza jipata hiyo 40 imekuwa 200. But sasa the problem hiyo nini, hiyo 40 pia inaweza enda na blink of an eye. So you'll be trying to get lucky. If you get lucky and the trade goes your way one time, then you're good. But ikienda kwa drawdown kidogo, so unapata shida ya smaller account is that inaenda chini kidogo, it gets you out, then it goes your way.
Oh yes.
Lakini I realized one thing. Saizi gold nikaa imetulia kidogo. Juu kuna time ulikuwa ukiekelea tu hivi, maana hata ka stop loss hivi ishagonga 100.
Gold actually imekuwa more hasa. Ni wewe ndio umescale up. Trust me,
Mimi nimescale up.
Ni wewe umescale up. Gold is more worse right now.
Hadi niko nashangaa, kwani nimeharibika aje?
Ni wewe umescale up because saizi ya uingie tu trade sababu watu wanaingianga. Ni wewe ndio umescale up, lakini si ati ni gold. Mimi nimeona vitu kwa gold inafanyia watu hapa nje. Hebu enda kana vijana wenye wanafanya hii mavitu ya kutrade wakiwa wengi na watu, especially wanafunzi hao wanakuja tu wanaingizwa kwa manini hapo, wanaambiwa haya tumefund. Wajamaa wanafund ma 10, 30, 50. Wanalipuliwanga hapo instant. Kila mtu anatoka hapo ni kutembea, ni wanapiga kalesa kuenda mpaka Kimumu huko juu. Wanaanza kukufuatafuata nyuma, wanataka walipie fare. Unaangalia tu hivi, mnafaa nini? Hao wameambiwa NFP we are buying.
Wanabai mbio.
Vijana wamekuja wametafuta kapesa kidogo, wamekuja na ka 50 ka 30. Umeambiwa mkuje. Entrance ni free. But pass, so unapata umeambiwa entrance ni free, but pass ukuwe na HFM account and you fund. And at least you fund it. Entrance ni free na watapewa kachai. Jamaa naona hii ni good deal. Hii ni good deal. Hawa watu wanilipishi, mkuje tu trade NFP live. Come live, wameadvertisiwa TikTok, Instagram. Vijana wamemwagika, wamejaa kwa hall, vijana karibu 150. Wote wamefungua accounts. Kila mtu amefund 30, 40, 50, 30, 40, 50, 30, 40 na mpaka
kuna demo la kanga kwa shit.
Sorry?
Pia mademu wanakuanga kwa staff.
Kwanza wengi. Si unajua madem sasa wanakuja kuangalia kutafuta kujaribu kuonesha skata hapo ndio at least penye pia wanajifanya wanaweza trade. Na pia na unajua madem kwa hizo masako aim yao inakuanga tofauti. Aim yao inakuanga ni kuscout ule jamaa ule msee. So unapata kila saa wanakusongea hapo wakikuuliza mashida zao. Kitu na account nafungua aje? Anakuja na kuangushia nyonyo hapo unamwangalianga hivi namwambia enda kwa ule atakusaidia.
Oh my days.
Unakuja hapo unanyoroshwa. Wajamaa wenye wamefungua semina yenyewe wakimaliza, hao wanaenda wanasema haya tumemaliza. Wanaenda upstairs kwa club huko. Them they've made money because they have gotten commission. Their main aim ni kuwasalia hiyo dopamine muingie into the trading industry, mufungue accounts. Them they are working for the broker. Broker yana benefit nyinyi mkifungua accounts na mkideposit na mkipush trades. Na they know for sure. They know for sure one thing. The moment kimekuramba ama kama ulimake, the possibility of you depositing again, it's 99.99% because you'll want to chase your money. It's just like gambling. Ukisha test hiyo money kidogo, lazima tu utatrade again. Kama ulilose, lazima utatafuta hiyo nini again.
Kuna revenge.
Yeah, utajaribu kurevenge. Tayari ulishaoneshwa kufungua account, ulishaoneshwa kuplace trade, uliamua kubuy na kusell, na ulioneshwa venye una deposit. That is the only thing they show you. Then they tell you NFP. Sasa alafu wanakuingiza Telegram group where they be saying today we are bullish, today we are buying. Tomorrow, sasa the only thing education they'll be giving you is sending you signals. They're sending you, they can really give you a good signal. Yeah, I'm not saying they are not traders who they don't know what they know. They know. These are traders. I can give you a very good signal. Today is a buy. Like what I just said with XRP, it's a buy. But remember, before that buy happen, kuna kuanga na retracement kidogo. Wewe hujafunzwa how to place a stop loss, the best places za kuplace stop loss. If I'm going to enter here, ninaweza lose hii ama what is my chances? You don't know about risk management. Watu wenye wamefunzwa hizi vitu, yes, wamepewa a very good signal, but the buy entry, it's a good one. They enter a trade with $40, $50. What happens? That thing retraces just a little bit, takes them out again, alafu inaenda kwa profit. Jioni wanapostiwa it was a win. Yes, it was a win for the guys because hao wana trade na bigger accounts. Ninyi mna trade na smaller accounts. You lost. The trade was good. People won. So you can unaweza imagine the whole trading industry is filled up with such people who have learned trading in such a way. That's why you'll hear somebody outside there na convince anakwambia vizuri venye yeye he did trading and he can't advise somebody that is gambling. You kitu on a legit site is very true. He's saying the truth. That guy traded. He traded, yes. MT5 ukimwambia atakwambia about MT5, atakwambia about broker. Ilikuwa broker gani? Atakwambia alideposit. Na atakwambia venye aliumwa. But ukimuuliza uliumwa kwa nini? Atablame broker, atablame hawa say. Was the problem au majamaa kweli? Hawa walikufunza kutrade. Si walikufunza kuingia kuna kupush button. Si walikufunza kupush button. So you can't tell them nothing. You can't accuse them. Ama wengine wanaingizwa kwa account management sasa wanaambiwa haya, we are managing accounts. You have to pay a certain amount. But huyu mtu hajakusaidia. Somebody who is managing an account hajakusaidia.
Hawezi kusaidia.
Because anakumanagea account, yes, you might be seeing some money coming in, some money coming out, but you don't know what's happening. The day you are solo, the day this guy has gone, how will you make your money?
Hujaacha kushare YouTube?
Oh, hujaniambia. Nilisahau hata nilisahau